It was just part of the rock. And she is part of the rock and part of the history and the knowledge, and it just flows through the water and picks up all the other codes and the information from all the other parts of nature that it passes, and it feeds it into the system that creates reality in a way.
Tell me about the codes. Are they mathematical? Are they frequential?
No, not really. Um, they look more like colors, like sparkles, like lots of tiny little, not even tiny. The way I'm seeing them is just like lots of date, if you open lemonade, all that fizz, it just feels like fizz, but more slow, not like when you open lemonade and the bubbles go everywhere.
Uh-huh.
The more gentle flow, and each bubble has got different colors. There's pink and blue and green, yellow, translucent, and they all seem to feed into the water, but they're not visible to the naked eye. You have to feel into them, and then they become like this, what she was trying to explain earlier. It's just like this kind of translucent, I guess, energy, which has got lots of colors.
Is
Looks
that
like,
connected to the rainbow that you mentioned earlier?
yeah, it's like rainbow colors. Not as, yeah, it is like a more paler colored rainbows than the rainbow you might see in the sky.
You mean
It's
like pastel color?
like, no, it's just more, like when it's in the sky, it's just
Yes.
one band of color. And like
Uh,
when it's in the water, it's more like it spreads out everywhere. So it becomes more translucent. It becomes more like, um,
lighter.
yeah, lighter, because it's spreading over a bigger distance. It's spreading through all of the water, all of the lakes that feed into the sea. And it's taken all that energy, all that information that it's gathering from all the rocks along the way.
And
And
where does
it's,
it take it to?
while it's feeding it into the sea, it's feeding it through all parts of the world. It just spreads and spreads, and it glows, and it
And
fills most of the watered areas. It's something that has perhaps been happening for some time, but the way that it's happening now, it's on a much grander scale to how it used to happen before. Before, it was quite stringy. It would be just a little bit here, a little bit there, going very slowly. Now it's almost takes over all of the water.
and
It
what has caused it to spread faster or more
it's time.
expansion?
It's time now, and the stones and the rocks have been holding a lot of the information, a lot of the codes. They've been the keepers of a lot of this energy, a lot of the codes, and a lot of the memories of our our makeup, our origin. and it's now been released. The rocks have been sitting quietly for many, many years, hundreds and hundreds and thousands of years. But now it's all the rocks, all the stones, they're starting to release the energy into the water so that we're all touched by this.
There are many sacred sites around the planet, around the world. Sacred sites such as Stonehenge,
Mm-hmm.
and those are also rocks that
Yeah.
hold what you say is codes. Would that be?
Yeah, the ones in places like Stonehenge feel slightly different. They feel a little denser. They feel like those are more sinking into the earth. They're not so colorful like the rocks that are close by to water, because the water helps release the codes. The ones like Stonehenge and the ones that are in the earth